In my dreams, I'm always flying.
3, 2, 1, release.
I've lived all my life by the water, but I feel more connected in the air. My first interest in space really started when I was 2 years old, just looking up in the skies. How can I become an astronaut? Being in the Caribbean, I didn't see how that was possible. So slowly I started letting that go. But the universe was calling me.
You're going to space! So you would be the first astronaut from Antigua, of course.
Making history.
You're making history.
It's a very inclusive mission. My lifestyle is very much grounded. The same way that I live is how I educate and I help others in my coaching program. I hope to inspire people in this region to get beyond their limitations. When I was asked the question, I want 2 seats, who's coming with me? Anna looked over at me and she says, Mom, if anyone is going with you to space, it's going to be me. I feel like to be successful in this life, you have to be able to bend and stretch yourself. It's an adventure of humility and humanity. How can we come together to make this realistic for everyone? This is our mission. This is for all of us.